The rate of me seeing QCY launching their products is quite mind-boggling, and knowing a company can keep pumping out high-quality earbuds faster than I can review them is seriously impressive. Today we're taking a look at QCY's take on the ANC market in late 2020 and to see how good these earbuds actually stack up to the competition in this extremely saturated market. So will it be any good? Welcome to a review of the QCY HT01. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with the review of the QCY HT01. This QCY model is definitely a looker, and with that impressive spec sheet that QCY gave it, let's see if these earbuds are good. So these earbuds are graciously sent to me by QCY for review, and although these were sent out to me, I will still be providing my honest opinion so you know what you're getting into before buying these earbuds. The HT01 retails for about 70 US, and that is about 289 Malaysia ringgit, and it's pretty decently priced for a budget, slightly creeping towards mid-range ANC earbuds. So if you're interested in getting these earbuds, do check out some of my links in the description below, and it will definitely help out the channel a lot. The HT01 is simply the most beautiful QCY I've checked out till date, partly because of that color combination of dark navy blue and copper color accent font everywhere. The case is a very simple plastic case with very high quality smooth plastic that makes up the entire enclosure of the case. And QCY products are mostly very high quality, and this is definitely no different. The top of the case you get the nice QCY logo there with a nice copper font, and at the front you get two LED indicators to tell you the battery percentage of the case as well as which earbuds are getting charged. Flipping it to the back, you get a USB-C charging port, and since these is a modern earbuds, the case also supports wireless charging, so putting this onto any Qi certified wireless charger and you're good to go. So the hinge itself is also held on by a very nice copper hinge, and the opening action is also very smooth. The only thing is that the lid doesn't stay open on its own and slam shut when you tilt it around. And inside you see two earbuds sitting classily and nicely inside the case. So these earbuds are very typical to your everyday QCY earbuds, and again with a very nice copper font around it and a copper ring at the bottom of the earbuds, which also houses the mic for ANC as well as phone calls. So flipping to the inside of the earbuds, you also get an in-ear sensor to autoplay or pause your media when you take them out of your ears. And lastly, if you flip this open, you will also get a mic near the ear tip to pick up any noises inside your head. And with ANC, these earbuds would give you about 4.5 hours of continuous playback time and a total of 22.5 hours in total with the case. This is tested with a volume of around 50%, so the louder you play, the lesser the battery power. And without ANC, this goes up to about 6 hours and a total of 30 hours of playback time. Charging both the earbuds and the case takes about 2 hours. So the HT01 has pretty mediocre specs for a late 2020 earbuds and comes with a Bluetooth 5.0 that only supports the AAC and SBC audio codec. There is also no mention at the time of review about the IP rating of these earbuds, so probably not get water near them since the microphone ports on these are pretty huge. The earbuds however provide super performance for seamless mono and stereo mode and allows you to swap either side of the earbuds without any pauses or interruptions. And connectivity between earbuds and phone is also super fast. Lastly, there is no multi-point connectivity on the earbuds, so you can still connect them to multiple devices, just not at the same time. So at the time of this recording, the QCY app in my region at least still doesn't support the HT01, but subsequently it will definitely support it. And inside the app it lets you do multiple things that is very familiar to most QCY. It allows you to change the control mapping of your earbuds. It allows you to change the ANC level within the app itself, as well as to allow you to change the different EQs and customize it to your liking. So those are some of the similar features you get with all QCY earbuds today. And the ANC performance is also pretty decent on this one, and at this price point it is pretty standard. I think it does a pretty good job with cancelling out most low humming noises, so when ANC is on, it'll cut out about 75% of ambient noise, and it also does a good job at suppressing higher pitched noises, effectively reducing their noise quite a bit. And when music is playing, you basically drown out everything else. Ambient mode, or as QCY calls it, outdoor mode, is pretty decent and very subtly amplify the audio of your surroundings, but not to the extent of being unnatural. So just to summarize, if Bose manages around 90% of ANC effectiveness, Edifier TWS MB2 and the Earphone Air Pro both also manages about 80%, the QCY HT01 manages a respectable 75%, and the Earphone 3 Pro and the Transmart Upper Bowl manages about 70%. The sound quality of the HT01 is also very impressive and gives you a very powerful, nice sounding sound signature. The bass of the HT01 is very powerful, not too aggressive, but plenty thumping and rumbling for most genre of music. These earbuds also provide good clarity across the range to help you have a good bright sound signature even when that bass is going on. So these earbuds is said to be tuned by Song Bo-son, I think. Not sure whether I'm butchering his name, but he is the former Harman sound engineer, and coupling his expertise with the 7mm pro-grade copper-clad aluminium wire dynamic driver makes this a very great sounding earbuds. The soundstage is also very good on these earbuds and generally have very good separation overall. So watching movie with these are pretty enjoyable. So the call quality on this is also very good for modern earbuds and gives you very good quality sound in quiet and noisy environments. It occasionally has dips that you can notice, but nothing too major that makes it unbearable. Anyway, let's take a listen to the call quality test of these earbuds. So this is a test to see if the QCY HT01 is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear a difference. So now there is a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. And with this version of Bluetooth 5.0, watching videos on YouTube and Netflix is really enjoyable, and there is practically no delay. Playing games on this is also very nice, and especially with that low latency gaming mode, latency is practically non-existent. Anyway, let's take a look at latency performance of these earbuds. So this is a test to see whether or not these earphones actually have a latency problem. So what I'm going to do now is clap into the microphone and you should be able to tell. So here we go. And if you see the hands not synchronized with the sound, then you will know that these earphones actually have a latency problem. So overall, this is another great execution by QCY, and especially with that newer color scheme going on, it's really a very good piece of ANC earbuds. If you're considering to get something good quality yet doesn't break the bank, then the QCY is definitely something to consider. So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.